Now, this again is a question from the year 2024. This question is a very easy question, but it's too damn easy that you will get confused in this problem. Okay, and also this question can be portrayed in two different ways, with each one of them keep generating two different solutions. Okay, so let's see what this question is. If you look at this thing, you can see what percentage of water must be mixed with honey so as to gain 20% by selling the mixture at cost price. So first of all, they are getting 20% profit. Okay, in that thing, profit and loss chapter, there are two formulas. Actually, only one formula, but you can change the same formula into different forms. The first formula is that profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100. This is one formula. The second formula, which has been derived from the exact same formula, is that selling price is equal to cost price into 1 plus profit percentage by 100. Both are the same formula. Okay, you can come to derive the second formula from the first formula if you replace profit by selling price minus cost price. That itself is profit. Okay, but anyway, so let's bring back the original formula. Now let's assume our cost price is 100 rupee. Why are we assuming 100 rupee as cost price? Because it will cancel out. It's easy to do the problem in that way. So if our cost price is 100 rupee and if we have a 20% profit, from the first formula I can say that I have 20% profit. Can find my profit if I assume cost price as 100. 100 into 100, I can say that my profit is rupees 20. I am assuming, be careful, I am assuming my cost price is 100 rupees. So if cost price is 100 and if I am having a profit of 20 rupee, that basically means that my selling price will be cost price plus profit, that is 100 plus 20, 120 rupee. Please don't get worried, because a profit, cost price, selling price, this is not maths. Even a shopkeeper will be doing this on a daily basis. In fact, the ability to buy and sell, it's a very necessary skill a person should have. Okay, because every single thing which we use nowadays, even the clothes which we wear, we never made it, we have bought it. So buying and selling is basic things. According to the second formula also, this will work the same way. Selling price is equal to, assuming cost price is 100 rupee, 1 plus 20 by 100. Solving this will give you 100 into cross multiplication, or simply 1 plus 0.2, that is 100 into 1.2. Basically gives you selling price as 120 rupees. So in any case, what we just figured out is that our cost price is rupees 100. We are assuming that rupees 100, and the selling price is rupees 120. Yes, rupees 120. Now, the question also says that by selling the mixture at cost price, that means the person is selling the mixture at cost price. Whatever price he have bought, he's selling at the same price and still he is getting a profit. That basically means that he's doing some jugaad, he's doing some adultery. To move further, we have to assume that the actual cost price, okay, here I am saying the cost price is rupees 100, but the actual price, okay, per liters, I'm going to assume that it is rupees, actual cost price is rupees 1 per liter. For every 1 liter, the price is rupees 1. That basically means that if I am buying 100 liters, each liter priced at rupees 1 per liter, that basically is 100 into 1. It will cost me rupees 100. So this is a scenario. That basically means that we are buying, this is the actual cost price, okay, rupees 1 per liter. If it is rupees 1 per liter, if I am spending 100 rupee, I will get 100 liters. Okay, and by selling it for 120 rupee, I'm buying it for 100 rupee, I'm selling it for 120 rupee. And the question asks us specifically to maintain that the mixture is sold at cost price. See, if you consider if this as cost price or this as cost price, it both means the same thing. Here we are buying for 100 liter, here for 1 liter. That's only difference. Okay. But if you are maintaining that same condition, that 1 liter, 1 rupee per liter, the selling price 120 will actually say that if it is also priced at 1 rupees per liter, 120 rupee will be for 120 liters. Okay, 100 rupee for 100 liters, 120 rupee for 120 liters. It's directly proportional. Now, here is a problem. The person only have 100 liters of honey. Okay, because he bought it for 100 rupees. But suddenly he is selling it for rupees 120 rupee, saying that it is 120 liters. The person is selling 100 liters, saying that it is 120 liters. Now, this can only be possible if he is doing some adultery. And that adultery is he is adding 20 liters of water. So, for 100 liters of honey, the person is adding 20 liters of water to make 120 liters of mixtures. And that is the reason why he is able to keep the cost price, the selling price and cost price same. Because in both the cases, here also it is rupees 1 per liter. Here also it is rupees 1 per liter. So this is how he is generating 20% profit. Now let's put this in a box. Now let's get back to the question. The question is asking what percentage of water must be mixed with honey. See, whenever you have to calculate a percentage, for example, if you look here, calculating a percentage, converting any value into percentage, like converting profit into profit percentage, what we're doing is that we have an observed value, we are dividing it with the base value and multiplying it with 100. So if you want to convert something to percentages, you need a observed value, and here the observed value or the value which you want to convert is the quantity of water, and the base which they are saying is it's not mixtures, it is honey. What percentage of water must be mixed with honey? So the base should be honey. So in this problem, the water percentage, but with respect to honey, will be water divided by honey into 100. That basically means that we have 20 liters of water. We have 20 liters of water, and that is mixed with 100 liters of honey. And if you solve it, you will find that it is 20%. So it basically means that for every 100 liters of honey, every 100 liter or 100% of honey, they have to mix 20% of water. 20 water. Okay, that is how he is able to generate 20% profit. Now the same question can be portrayed in a different way also. Instead of asking the what percentage of water must be mixed with honey, the person can simply ask you, what is the percentage of water? What percent of water is there in the mixture? Or what is the percentage of water in the mixture? They can portray the question in that way also. In that case, of course, we are again converting water into percentage. So that is observed value. And the base will be mixture. So if you are looking for this problem, if I am converting this problem into, again, water percentage, but with respect to mixture, then the problem will be basically asking you to find water divided by mixture into 100. So if you are doing that, you will be saying that we have 20 liters of water. 20 liters of water. In how much mixture? In the mixture of 120. 120 into 100. So it's going to be 100 by 6. And what is 100 by 6? 100 by 6 is 16.67%. It basically means that in every mixture, if there is a 100 liter or 100% of mixture, inside that mixture, around 16.67 will be water, and the remaining part is going to be your honey. Okay, so the same problem with two different answers. That is where this problem becomes interesting. You have to see what the question is specifically asking. If the question is asking for the base with honey or the base with mixture. So to practice, so this problem's answer is they're asking for a base with honey. So the problem's answer is 20%. It's a very easy problem actually. You can do the same problem even without taking pen. But of course, you have to be a bit careful. So to practice this problem, I have made a problem. A person is getting a profit of 25% by selling milk at cost price. Part A, what is the percentage of water in the mixture? Part B, what percentage of water must be mixed with milk to achieve this? So I want you guys to pause the video and try to answer this problem yourself. Okay? Okay, I'm going to give you the answer. If you still need more time, please feel free to pause the video. So here the person is getting 25% profit. That basically means that if the person is buying 100 rupees, 100 rupees, 1 rupee, 1 rupees 1 per liter, 100 rupees he will get 100 liters, and he is selling it for rupees 120. That basically means that he is selling it at the cost price. Okay, therefore I can say that he is selling it for 120 liters. That can only happen by adding how much water? 20 nahi. Yeah, it's 25% profit, right? So it's gonna be 25. 125, that basically 125 liters. So that can happen by adding water of 25 liters. Okay. So for every 100 liter milk, the person is adding 25 liters water to create a mixture of 125 liter. So this is the scenario. Now let's answer the problem. First we will go for the part A. Part A. What is the percentage of water in the mixture? See, this is a direct problem. The question is asking water percentage with respect to mixture. So water divided by mixture into 100. We know that we have 25 liters of water divided by mixture of 125 into 100. So that is going to be 1 by 5 into 100. That is 20%. So 20% of the mixture is water. That is part A. So answer for part A is 20%. Now part B. If you look at part B, it is what percentage of water must be mixed with milk. Here the base is milk. So question number part B, water with respect to milk. That is water with divided by milk into 100. We have 25 liters of water dividing 100 liters of milk, and that's simply 25%. It's more direct. So if for every 100 liters of milk, you have to add 25 liters of water. So answer for the second part is 25%. So that's it with this problem. Hope you guys got it. Anyway, it's an easy problem. It's a little bit too easy and it can confuse you a little bit. So that's it. Thank you.